Hold on tight, Mustang fans. What if I told you the next generation RTR is about to redefine American muscle? Buckle up, because we're diving deep into the 2026 Mustang RTR, a machine that's not just a car, but a statement. All right, guys, let's talk about the beast that's about to hit the streets. The 2026 Mustang RTR. Forget everything you thought you knew about Mustangs, because this one's on a whole different level. We're talking a complete design overhaul, aggressive styling that screams performance, and power that will pin you to your seat. Imagine a wider body kit, a more sculpted hood, and that iconic RTR grille looking meaner than ever. Under the hood, whispers are circulating about an enhanced Coyote V8, possibly with forced induction options pushing the horsepower figures way beyond what we've seen before. Suspension upgrades are a given, promising razor-sharp handling and improved track performance. Inside, expect a driver-focused cockpit with premium materials, advanced tech, and of course, the signature RTR badging that lets everyone know you're driving something special. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a transformation, a complete reimagining of the Mustang RTR legend. Seriously, the rumors are insane, and I've got to say, if even half of them are true, we're looking at a game changer. I'm already picturing myself behind the wheel, tearing up the asphalt. And let me tell you, the excitement is real. So get ready, because the 2026 Mustang RTR is coming, and it's bringing the heat. Now, let's delve into the details, shall we? While official specs are still under wraps, insider sources suggest that the 2026 Mustang RTR will boast a significantly improved aerodynamic package. Think more aggressive splitters, diffusers, and a rear wing designed to maximize downforce and stability at high speeds. Beyond just looks, these enhancements should translate into a more planted and confident driving experience, especially on the track. The interior is rumored to feature a completely redesigned dashboard with a large, customizable digital display, providing real-time performance data and vehicle information. Expect premium leather seats with enhanced bolstering to keep you secure during spirited driving. Technology-wise, the 2026 Mustang RTR is expected to incorporate the latest driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind